Hey, welcome you all. Today we are going to give you another unbiased review on the website that is margaret.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till then as we are going to share details regarding this online store. It is actually a new online company that sells various custom handbags for women including backpacks, clutches, crossbody bags, fanny packs, and small bags. As we all know, bag is one of the essential accessory for women as it can be used with every outfit from casual to business or evening. So basically, Margaret has a wide range of handbags for all occasions, and we are convinced that you will enjoy Margaret as it offers backpacks, clutches, crossbody bags, funny bags, mini bags, tutted shoulder bags. So before deciding to shop from this store, just check out the features of this store. As far as their contact details are concerned, they have mentioned their contact number and their email address, and the email address match the domain name, which is a good sign and positive sign. You can enjoy free delivery over the order of above $40. Moreover, you can purchase the product by using PayPal, credit card, and debit card, or even from your bank account. They have mentioned their official address, and for shipping they need 15 to 30 days normally. So let's check out the positive point of shopping from this store is that Market is protected by a secure pocket layer SSL certificate. The website is secure with HTTPS, which encrypt data transcription. Shipping costs are accessible when customers spend more than $40. As far as negative point of this websites are concerned, who is concealed the identity of website's owner. Margaret.com is a brand new website. Moreover, the website reviews are all missing, implying that it's a scam. The website is in the country of enormous danger, and we have received reports of counterfeit items on this website. So the question is still in our mind, either Migrate.com is a legit store. So the domain name was registered on 21st June 2021. So we cannot recommend this website unless we have to check out some details regarding this website, as it has just 1% trust rank. There is an email address, a contact number, or an official address, but no reviews are available. As far as social media is concerned, the web page do have a Facebook, Instagram attached link that redirects you to the official page login. So it means there is no social media presence available. As far as customer reviews are concerned, all the reviews on the website are empty, which is unusual, signifying that it is not well-known website. This is also means that just a small number of individuals visited the site and indicates an interest in it. So in our final conclusion, we can say that Migrate is only a few months old and has 1% trust rating, and this website has no customer reviews available. It likely to be a scam. There is no better source of information than this collection of reviews from reputable website. Due to minimal traffic, it has low Alexa rank, so we are just recommended not to buy anything from this store, so you may not lose your money at the end.